How to log in CIBC Costco Mastercard. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into CIBC Costco Mastercard. For that, you want to open up any web browser, then search for CIBC Costco Mastercard Login. Now, you want to tap on the very first website. Once you tap on the CIBC online banking website, it will take you to this page. Here, in order to sign into your CIBC Mastercard, you will have to enter some details. Start by entering your card number. If you want this card number to be remembered, check the box that says Remember this card number. On the next box, you want to enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset it by tapping on the Reset Password option. Then, in order to reset your password, enter your card number, card expiration date, then phone number on file and tap on the next option. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. Once you enter both card number and password, tap on the Sign On option. If the details you've entered are correct, you will be successfully signed onto your account. If you are new to this and you have not registered, tap on the Register Now option. Then over here, enter your card number, card expiry date, phone number, and tap on the next option. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to register your Costco Mastercard. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.